Hello everyone. So we have completed the programming data structures and algorithm course. In this course, we have covered all the topics of GATE DSA syllabus. And if you see the syllabus, we have various searching algorithms and sorting algorithms. We have discussed this algorithm using Python, and we have also visualized this particular algorithm, right? So all the algorithms has been discussed along with its Python implementation and visualization, right? So what you are going to get in this particular course, we are going to discuss that. So I'm going to show you the preview of this particular course. Okay. Now let's go back to our website, that is piyushwairale.com. I will show you what we have covered in this particular course. Okay. So here you can see this is a preview of our course, GATE DA25 Programming Data Structures and Algorithm course. On the left hand side of the screen, here you can see the topics that I have covered. So first we have discussed the introduction to programming in Python, right? So this is the first topic in our GATE DS syllabus. So Python is there, right? So we have discussed introduction to Python, all the basics of Python, like various data structure like lists, tuples, dictionary, sets, right? And before that, in first two videos, we have discussed about what are variables, what are the arithmetic operations we can perform, right? And few other things we have discussed in this particular videos. Then we have discussed about if else statement. Then we have discussed about the looping statement, that is for loop and while loop. And then the most important part is functions in Python and recursion, right? So we have discussed this topic in detail. Functions in Python, lambda functions and recursions. Because if you see a GATE DA paper, previous year paper, in that two question was there based on the recursion. That is basically a function, right? Two question was there on this particular topics, right? But to understand these topics, you need to understand the first basic of this particular Python. Okay, how this conditional statement is working, how this for loop is working, how this while loop is working. Then only you can solve the questions on recursion, right? So this thing we have discussed in detail, and also we have provided the various practice questions. So here you can see exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, exercise 4, 5, right? Along with the solution. So 1, 2, 3 is just the basic. For some question you require a detailed solution. So that question I have covered in this particular video. And there is a separate video for exercise 4 and exercise 5. Okay. So we have also covered class and object. That is basically a OOPS concept. We have not discussed this in detail. But what is class, what is object, what is method, what is constructor? So this thing you should know if you want to understand the implementation of this algorithm in Python. So that's why we have put this particular video here, right? And then we have discussed the previous year question. So here you can see three questions was there in GATE DA paper. Question number 38, question number 39 and 41. So this question number 38 is based on this. So here you can see we have a function, right? So we already discussed what is function. So one question was based on this particular function. If you see next two question 39 and 41. Now this question, here you can see a pseudocode base. But if you understand how this if and for loop is working, then you can easily solve this type of question. So remember, in GATE exam, they can ask you question. They can ask question based on the Python code also, or this pseudocode type of code also can be there. But to solve both the types of question, understanding how this for loop and while loop is working, that is very important, right? Even if you get the question in the form of pseudocode, that will have this for loop and if statement, right? So that's why this particular thing is very important. Again, next year also you can expect at least two questions from Python, either in the form of pseudocode or Python code, right? Now we have discussed one more question, that is question number 41. So here you can see this question is based on the recursion, right? So this type of question, right? So we have discussed this question in detail, right? So this is what we have discussed in Python. First, introduction to a Python, then what is required, that is if statement, for loop, while loop, functions in Python, lambda functions and recursions, right? So we have covered this much, from which you can solve the previous year question and all the possible questions that can be framed based on this particular topic, right? So we have enough question. Each exercise has 5 questions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you will get 50 questions to solve based on Python. Okay. So I hope this thing is clear. Now next we have discussed about the basic data structures. Now here you can see introduction to a data structure, array, queue, double-ended queue, stack, and then we have few previous year questions. So we have also discussed a question from previous year CSE branch that was based on this particular topics. So we have discussed that also, right? And also get DA 16 question, get DA 32 question. So simple question, but if you understand how this thing is working, you can easily solve this type of question, right? So we have discussed linked list, types of linked list, trees, binary search tree, and few previous year get CSE question also, right? And important points about binary tree. And then we have discussed about AVL tree, and here we have the exercise. So exercise 1, 2, 3. So we have three exercises here, and each exercise is having 10 question each, right? You can watch this previous year video solution on my YouTube channel. So if you go on the playlist section, you can find out the Get DA24 previous year solution playlist. So you can watch this particular solution on YouTube, right? Of all the questions of Get DA24 exam, right? And here you can see a data structures using principle. So PDF notes. So notes are available in PDF format. So you can download, not as of now, but later you can download this notes also, right? So we have provided the notes also. Then we have discussed search algorithms, right? So linear search, binary search. We have discussed one question which was asked in GATE DA exam, right? This question, and also one exercise is there based on that. So here also we have 10 questions. Then we have discussed sorting algorithms, that is selection sort, then Python implementation of selection sort, then insertion sort, then Python implementation of insertion sort, then bubble sort also, right? So all this algorithm we have discussed along with its Python implementation, right? And here one question was there from GATE DA24 exam. So we have discussed that, and you can see the notes here also, right? Then we have divide and conquer algorithm, that is merge sort and quick sort. So we have discussed merge sort visualization. Then we have discussed quick sort using Python and example also. And here we have one previous year GATE question also based on quick sort. So we have discussed that also. And then we have two exercises. So each exercise is having 10 questions each. So you can just simply start this quiz, right? So interface of the quizzes will be similar to a GATE interface only, right? So you can see the calculators also. So virtual calculators are also there, right? So here you can see a question, right? If I just scroll, you can see different types of questions are there, right? You can see a question paper. You can directly scroll through the question. So similar to a GATE exam, right? And this type of question you can expect. They will give you Python. They will give this code. They can ask you that this particular code represent which algorithms, right? So for that you need to understand how those algorithms are working, okay? And then we have discussed the graph theory, important topic, GATE exam point of view. Definitely one question will be there from this particular topic in next year, right? So here we have discussed introduction to graph theory, types of graph, and topological sorting. Previous year question was there in topological sorting, that is CSE branch question we have discussed. In previous year GATE DA question we have discussed on topological sorting, right? Then basic of graph traversal, DFS, BFS example, then spanning tree, then minimum spanning tree, and what are the algorithms we use for this particular spanning tree. So we have discussed that. And then the last topic is shortest path. So Dijkstra algorithm we have discussed, and with along with this example, right? And you will get this exercise also to do a practice. Also this is having 10 question each, right? So here we have completed all the topics of PDSA course. If you see our syllabus, everything is covered. Only one topic is there, so we are going to cover that, and we have enough time. We have still remaining 5 months time. So I'm going to update this course. Update this course means what? I'm going to add more tutorials, that is problem solving tutorials in the later part of the course, okay? But as of now, I have covered the concept and practice questions. And here you can see full subject test. So you will be giving 5 full subject tests, and each test will have 10 questions each, right? So this will be based on all the topics that we have discussed, right? So this is topic wise test and this is subject wise test. So this is what we have covered in our PDSA course, right? And if you want to purchase this course, or if you want to see the content, you can just go to the piyushwairale.com, my website, right? So once you on this particular website, you can scroll down here, right? So you can download our Android application also. We have Android app also, right? Now you can just go through this website, but I am going to show you this particular thing. So we have two combo packages, combo pack 1 and combo pack 2. In combo pack 1, we have covered all the subjects, all the 7 subjects, But there is no test series. Full length test series means what? The final exam test series, that is a 3 hours test series having 65 questions. So that thing is not covered in this particular combo pack. But this particular combo pack, that is combo pack 2, you will get everything. You will get all 7 courses along with the test series, like full length test series, and also the aptitude part will be covered in this particular combo pack. So I will suggest you to go for this particular combo pack. As of now, it is in 2000 rupees, but till 14th of August, you can purchase this combo pack at a cost of 1500 rupees only. So you can use this Get 25 coupon code to get 25% off. Then you can purchase this combo pack to at just 1500 rupees. So offer is available for limited time, so you can purchase that. But if you want to purchase only PDSA course, data structure course, then just scroll down and here you can find out our all individual courses, right? If you just click on view more, you will get all the individual courses, right? DBMS, PDSA, AI, machine learning, and all those things. So PDSA course is for 500 rupees. If you just click on PDSA course, if you scroll down, so whatever I have just discussed, you can see this here, right? Whatever we have covered, 23 attachments, so it will require 6 hours of effort in data structures. And here you can see all the topics that we have covered, right? So you can refer to this particular website, and if you are interested in purchasing this PDSA course, you can purchase this at just 500 rupees. You can click on buy course and do the payment. Or if you want to go for a combo pack, that I will suggest you to go for combo pack because it will cover all the subjects and it is at just 1500 rupees. So if you just click on combo pack, so here you can see at 2000 rupees and you are going to get this much things, right? So all the subjects are covered along with aptitude test, right? So if you just go for this combo pack, you can get this at 1500 rupees only. Click on buy package. So automatically 500 coupon will be applicable. So you can just simply continue. And then you have to pay this much only, right? So offer is for limited time. So I will suggest you to go for combo pack, or else you can go for any other subject, right? So as of now, we have covered DBMS, PDSA, linear algebra, and calculus. These 4 courses I have covered. Right now, I am recording probability and statistics course along with the ML course. So AI course is completed 70%. So that is enough for get a DA exam. We have remaining one important topic so that we can cover. Okay, so don't worry about that. And then machine learning course. So we are yet to update that machine learning course. It will be get completed by end of this particular month. So entire thing will be completed till September 1st week. So you can expect you have good amount of time for practice, right? So I will focus more on practice and tutorials. So that's it from this particular video. If you want to purchase, you can just visit my website and just follow the course you want to purchase, right? So that's it. You can use get 25 coupon code to get 500 rupees off on combo pack. Okay, thank you.